It comes from Zhongshan Guzheng Wan Shuai Lighting Factory. Zhongshan Guzheng Wan Shuai Lighting Factory. Let's say hi to our
Hi.
Hello, hi. Hi, Stephen, right?
Hi, everyone.
Hi,
Yep,
Stephen.
I'm Stephen. Nice to meet you. Yep.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I'm Jane. Nice to see you again. I guess we met before, right? In the lighting fair and in the previous online exhibition.
Yes.
So good to see you.
We met before.
Yeah. Thank you.
Nice to see you again.
Good night. Nice to see you again too. Stephen, would you like to give us a brief introduction of your products, company, or some application projects you have done? If you have something in mind or on your hand, and you want to show to our audience, and in 10 to 15 minutes, please. Thank you.
Yeah, sure, no problem. So we are Wan Shuai Lighting Factory, or our brand is called Blue Mag Lighting. Yeah, basically we for the European countries and export, our brand is Blue Mag Lighting. And then we are manufacturing and professional in manufacturing ceiling light, LED ceiling light. Or easier to know as globe light as well. So these are part of our products, you can see. Okay. So basically, we produce the essential basic LED ceiling light to all our customers. And we have all the system that customer need in the market. Basically from 1 CCT, which is the old style, to the current essential, which is 3 color change, or we call it 3 CCT, which you can see here. You can see over here, this one. Okay. This is warm white. Okay, you can change to white daylight. And then you can also have a natural light. This is a 3rd CCT. So from our higher end product, we have 4 CCT, which is have a night light system. This is the most common our customer will, how to say, seek for. Cheap and cheerful, I can say.
Oh, cheap as well. The price is
okay. Our price range start from somewhere around RMB 20 something to RMB 100. In this range. Yeah. The quality of the acrylic as well as the driver and everything and the other system will be the price.
Yes. How about the warranty, please? Warranty?
Our warranty is 3 years. Standard warranty is 3 years, yes.
Right. And
for the LED as well as the driver, 3 years.
How about the MOQ? If
the MOQ is 100 pieces per model. Yeah.
Okay. Any other products or anything else like?
Yep. So this is our product, which is the infrared product.
Infrared.
Yes. Other than the basic CCT, which I introduced a while ago, this is our best product, the hottest. Yes, hottest product, the best seller.
Why this is the hottest? What's the highlights for this product?
Okay, the highlight, actually this is an infrared product, infrared driver. So because when we live in this world, a lot of customers are like us, we are very lazy to switch on and off our lights every day.
You're right.
So we may like lie on the sofa or lie on our bed and then we are lazy to move. So with the upgrade, we use the infrared and this is the remote control.
Okay, remote control.
Okay, the remote control, this one is a basic, very basic. We go to the basic and essential of every customer.
Simple
it's easy to use. Yeah, simple and basic. It's like you are using the TV remote control. Everyone is able to use without any letters. They are all logos, which
Right.
is everyone know. You can change your color. You can have a night light. You can switch color 60. And then you can also have the different power from 100% brightness, 20% brightness, or 15% brightness. Okay. And we also have special features for the product is when you want to leave your home, you have 30 minutes on hold before it switch off. Yeah, so when you press this button, you leave the home, 30 minutes later, the light will switch on by itself.
Time saving, energy saving. Yeah.
So you won't keep your house for like no one when, you know, some of the thief or some of the smugglers, they'll look at your house to see you after you move away from your door, they will know no one in the house. But with these 30 minutes, sometimes you can trick them. Like someone is still in the home.
Oh, okay. So got a situation, find a situation. May apply this function. Yes.
Yeah, and this one is also a warranty for 3 years.
For 3 years. Standard 3 years warranty.
And then the voltage is from 85 to 265.
Okay, it's a wide range of voltage.
Yes, it's a wide range of product. This is one of our best sellers.
Great.
So basically, the other types, our customers are able to choose cover they like. With just one system, they can choose different colors or different style of the covers. So 100 pieces of per model. What I mean is 500 mm, and then customer can get 10 pieces, 10 pieces, 10 pieces, for example. For new customer, we are able to do this.
Wow.
So this is the support during this pandemic to our customers. Some support because the economy is not so good for everyone throughout the world. So we had some slight support to everyone.
Great.
Okay, and that's all.
Yeah. Oh, that's all. That's all for today's interview session. Okay, Stefan, thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your introduction for the products and the hottest one, bestseller one. Thank you so much. So let's call today's interview, and I would like to expect to see you again. Thank you, Stefan. See you. Bye bye. See you.
Okay. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Stefan.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.